The summer is here. Welcome to the Blended with Henry show. Hey, Blended with Henry foodies, the summer is here. We're in sunny California at the marina, and today is 5 reasons why you're still using a Ninja blender. Reason number 5, they're popular. Now somehow customers tend to feel happier when they see the product they just bought over at different retail stores. Now Ninja is sold at Target and Walmart and various other big chains. Now not because they're popular, but because they're low price, and Ninja's infomercial marketing. Reason number 4, because you hope it'll somehow get better when your blending skills get better. Now time after time, you guys, I get emails from Ninja customers saying I didn't use the right jar, I didn't use the right blades, I didn't use the right speed on the Ninja. But those are generally excuses from Ninja customers to look for workarounds to avoid buying a Vitamix. Now I never generally have problems when blending with other brands. Reason number 3, you're satisfied because it's better than what you had before. Now you know it won't achieve smoothie shop results or restaurant quality results or last as long or have as good a warranty. But it's better than what you had, and it's the price you wanted to spend. Number 2, you're cheap. Now, there's nothing wrong with shopping for the very best you can get for the least amount of money. That's how I do it. But you have to be honest with yourself, you guys. You can't get something great for nothing. Now, many Ninja customers feel that Vitamix machines start upwards of $600. Now, Vitamix has some reconditioned machines starting as low as $250. Shop smarter, not cheaper. And the number 1 reason why you're still using a Ninja blender, you fell for Ninja's false advertising infomercials. Now let's face it, you guys, they're good at it. Now they do all their advertising in the middle of the night for insomniacs, constantly claiming that they're better than Vitamix for a third of the price. Now I try to educate you guys the truths about Ninja. Their warranties don't cover much, and they have a high repair rate. Customers aren't nearly as satisfied as the infomercial wants you to believe. Now, there's nothing wrong with shopping for the best you can get for the least amount of money. That's how I do it. But you have to be honest with yourself. Huh? Okay. Before we end the video today, you guys, please join me in congratulating Prudy. She is the winner of the Blending with Henry Breville Big Squeeze Juicer giveaway. Prudy is a foodie and enjoys creating recipes in her Vitamix and will be making great use of her new Breville Big Squeeze Slow Compression Juicer. Congrats, Prudy, and thank you to all who entered the contest, and thank you so much to Breville for helping to make this happen. Now, Blending with Henry loves doing giveaways, you guys, so please subscribe and get your friends and family to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos and contests. Alright, you guys, thanks so much for watching and supporting me as always. And if you have any questions about certain blenders, reach out to me on blendingwithhenry.com, or you can check out some of the blender options on the links below the video. I will see you soon.